Okay. And getting almost warm enough to shed a layer of clothing here. Kind of nice. I'm okay with that. The other thing I have to work around in there is light plug-ins, electrical plug-ins, and sometimes there'll be little pieces of bracing work where they'll join a stud in there, and I have to work around those too. All in all, though, it should go fairly quickly. Now here, just drop the tape. That was cool. Good work, Richard. Drop the tape. I'll leave no wood on the ground, I'm just saying. Oh, I cut that one wrong. Yeah, I cut it 62. It's supposed to be 72. My dyslexia gets in the way of my ADHD and my bipedalness and all of my other stuff. Sometimes I just don't have enough voltage to pay attention. Okay, time for the big vest, big sweatshirt to come off. Oh, joy. Let's see, I need to take my camera thing out of my pocket here. Let's throw that in the truck. All of it. Do my hat. This hat will be the next thing to go to, I can tell you that right now. Okay, let's go see how close this comes to fitting. That one was two ends of the same piece. I'll show you what we just did with that. So this over here was closer to 3 inches. It was like 3 1/2 on top and 3 1/8 on the bottom. So I split that one piece. One piece fit up there, one piece fit back here, and I was able to wedge it in behind this light fixture right there. So I'll get a board put on the end of that and tap that up a little bit to close that gap. And then one more piece down here. Because I'm cutting 2 feet off each one of these, they're 8 feet. When I cut them down, I cut 6 feet, which leaves me a 2-foot piece. Well, 3 of those 2-foot pieces just about fill one of the gaps here, so that works just about perfect. So y'all have seen enough of this to know what the process is. I think what I'm going to do is turn the camera off and just do a lot of work. Because to be honest with you, I think it's just pretty boring for y'all to watch me do the same thing over and over and over all day. So I'll come back when there's more to tell and more to show. In the meantime, y'all occupy yourselves in a fruitful way. Wouldn't hurt to read your Bible or call up a friend and tell them you love them. All right? All right.